Hey everybody, it's Stuart here, and welcome to part one of our updated Meta Business Suite tutorial series, where we are going to show you everything you need to know in order to effectively use the Meta Business Suite. Starting today, we're going to have a look. Today, we're starting with navigating the home page and left-hand menu bar successfully, so you can see all the tools and features that are available for you to access. Let's jump in. The first thing that we have here on the home page, which is the most important to many people using the Meta Business Suite, is the ability to create content. First up, we have the blue Create Post button here. We have the Create Reel, Create Story, your ability to go live. And if we click on the More button, we can create ads, post videos across pages, or bulk upload reels and videos into the Meta Business Suite folders. If we come down to the next section, we can see our draft section here for draft posts. We've currently got an incomplete one here, and if we hover our mouse over onto the three dots and click on it, we can see here that we have the ability to publish, schedule, or delete that post. If you want to access that in more detail and edit it further, then you go to the left-hand menu bar and click on the content section. We can also see the unread messages which we have on our page here, as well as our weekly plan, which has been auto-generated for publishing an ad, story, and post. Navigating down to the next section, we've got the ability to manage our marketing content in one place, which is again the content section here above. So let's say that we want to schedule a post. It's going to take us through to the Composer section of the Meta Business Suite. However, we're not going to reflect on that too much. There will be time later on to show you how to do that. We've also got the ability to schedule stories as well from here, and again, it will take you to the Composer section. Scrolling on down to the next section, we can see the ability to grow our audience. We can click on the Invite Friends section and invite people in our Facebook network to come and follow our Facebook page, or we can use the existing engagement with people and send them invitations to come and follow our page based on whether they reacted to a post or whether they left a comment. So you can just click on the tick button until it appears, and we choose the type of engagement here, and then we just click on Send Invitations. It's that simple to invite people who have engaged with your content to come and follow you. Finally, we've got the What's New in the Meta Business Suite section. And if we click on the See More button here, we can see that there is a range of different updates which have been updated. Now, some of these will be a lot older. Most of the new ones will appear up at the top. So make sure you keep an eye out on that, as Meta is constantly updating the Meta Business Suite to make it more user-friendly. Right, let's head over to the left-hand menu bar. We can see here that there is the Home, Notifications, Ads Manager, Lead Center, and Inbox. This is a menu bar which I have custom created based on the needs which I have for my business. If we want to click on All Tools and hover our mouse over that, we can see all the tools and features that are available for you to access. We have the audience engagement, which is around the content which we create, advertising tools and features, the ability to manage at a higher level things like the business support home, the file manager, which is where bulk upload images and videos appear, and the monetization and commerce section, as well as your analytics. So it's all very useful. And if you want to edit it based on your needs, just click on the edit button until it appears and wait for it. Click on it, and you can then select the tools that you want to have showing up on your menu bar. And once you've selected the tools that you want, you can click on the Save button, and a quick refresh will show the tools now appearing on the left-hand menu bar side. Finally, we've got the settings section where you can start assigning assets and seeing what you have got access to. So that's a quick overview of how to use the homepage section. See you in the next section on how to create posts in the Meta Business Suite Composer section. See you soon.